How to add someone on Google Chat. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to walk you through the process of adding someone to ongoing conversation within Google Chat. So let's get started. Within the first step, you will need to open your Google Chat application or website. Once you have that open, look for the specific conversation where you will like to invite someone new. You can find the conversation name at the top of the chat window. Click on that conversation name and this will open up a menu for you. As you take a look at this menu, you will notice that there is an option available to invite people to join the conversation. Go ahead and click on the invite people option, which will bring up a search window. Now we need to find the person you want to add. The easiest and most effective way to do this is by entering their email address into the search bar. For illustration, let's say I want to add a specific individual to the chat. All I have to do is type in their email address here. Once you have entered the email address, you will see that their name appears as a suggestion and you will have successfully selected them to be added to the conversation. That's really all there is to it. After you complete these steps, the person you invited will receive an invitation link to join the chat. It's that simple. I truly hope you found this video tutorial to be helpful and informative. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.